everyone, welcome back to another edition of Your Mortgage in a Minute. Today I'll be talking about home equity, what it is, and how you can access it. Let's go. Equity is the portion of your home's value that you own outright. So, if you have a home worth $800,000 and a $400,000 home loan, you have $400,000 of equity. Not only does equity contribute to your personal wealth, but the more equity you have, the lower your loan to value ratio, or LVR, will be. Lenders tend to offer their lowest rate home loan deals to borrowers with low LVRs, so building equity can help you secure a more competitive mortgage deal. You might also be able to tap into your equity for other purchases. There are many ways to access your home equity. For starters, you could sell your property. If that doesn't suit you, you could refinance your home loan in order to borrow a larger sum. Some lenders will even let you borrow more funds without refinancing, and this process is often called topping up a home loan. To find out more and to compare some of the market's most competitive refinancing home loans, check out yourmortgage.com.au.